What's the date?
I don't know.
End of April. April 30th. 29th something. Back out here, Buddy Rose. We got a sword in the hole. Let's check it out. Let's see what you got. You got brass handle in there?
Right here.
Is it? Yep, that's the damn saber bayonet, buddy. That's a saber bayonet.
And it keeps going.
Yeah, that's the saber bayonet. Don't break it.
Oh, it's already hit. It's right
That's
there.
okay. The iron is alright. The brass, what you don't want to hit. Yep, I can see the handle right there.
Right there.
Saber bayonet. Sword. Billy, how you doing, man?
Good.
That's it.
I just got a bullet found, man.
Awesome.
A little over an hour. About an hour.
Have we?
Yeah, it's 10:27.
Right now?
Mm-hmm.
Didn't I tell you? Remember we was talking?
Button you got? Trade you a bullet for your button.
Can you see it? It's loose. Buddy. Buddy. It's a CS. No, it's not. Oh my gosh. I was about to say, we really got to sleep. Oh, buckle. Oh, buckle. How would you like that? You got the box plate and I got the buckle. The breastplate's here. It's here somewhere. How would you like that? Huh? What is it? What you got? What is it? Oh, man.
Yeah?
Huh?
Look at that, boy.
Great day in the morning. Perfect. Buddy, how you feeling?
That's good, boy. That is nice.
Wow. I can't believe it.
Huh?
I gotta cut the camera off because I can't believe it. What? What is it? TJ, where are you? What's going on? TJ? TJ, what's going on?
Cut silver.
Turn this. What? What is it?
Cut silver. Cut real.
Cut silver. Where are we?
Oh,
Where?
right there.
Wait a minute, where are we?
Right there.
Right there. Where?
Right there.
Right there.
Right there.
All right. Wow. That's a cut
Yeah.
reale. Live dig. This is April the 11th, 2016. White Oak, Virginia, Stafford County. TJ, first cut coin ever. How you feeling? Huh? Pick it up. Let's brush it off and see.
Oh. Oh.
That's a big one. Huh? Wow. Let's brush the dirt off of it. See what we got.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
Look at that thing.
Perfect condition.
Perfect condition. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Holy moly. Wow. Unreal. Congratulations, brother.
Yep.
Congratulations, brother.
Thank you.